Turn the page, live your life every day. Don't let anybody.
All right, that's a pork shoulder. That's some garlic. This is some whiskey. And this is pickle juice. Not Beetlejuice, pickle juice. And these are seasonings. Hey, Mike Foster here. Today it's a pickleback, slow cook, pulled pork. That's a lot of stuff to say, but think of it as pulled pork done in a crock pot, slow cook. Now, what is pickleback? Picklebacks, and I think it's a southern drink where they actually use whiskey and pickle juice. I've never had one, but I'm going to make one on another video, a pickleback. But it's going to be pickleback perfect for this slow cook pulled pork. Let's put this bad boy together. First thing we got to do is put this is 5 pounds of pork in this guy. Whoa. Check this out. That's a lot of pork. And we're going to season. We're going to put a bunch of pepper on it. Some salt. Putting some onion powder on here. Next, coriander, which is a beautiful spice. You got to get this and smell it. About a tablespoon of each. Some dill. Get it all over. You could rub this on if you like to put your hands around meat. I don't want to. Celery seed. All right. You can always season more later if you need to. Some red chili pepper. Give a little zing. Zing. This is 5 cloves of garlic that I've minced about. There you go. Now the fun part. We're going to put a jar of pickle juice, and you see you can put it all, it'll help put all the seasonings around. Guess what? I like to have a few pickles fall in there too. Use any whiskey you want. Just use a half a cup. This is Jameson, my favorite. I will have a few drinks of this. We're going to make that pickleback cocktail. See how that is. That's about it. And he puts more. This, I told you, this is really simple. You cover it. Now this one, I usually set it for low and let it go, but this time I'm setting it for high and saying goodbye. And we're going to check this in about 4 hours. I'll see you then. Okay, it's been 4 hours. Let's take a look at this beautiful slow cook. You can see that the water's boiling a little. This guy's getting, look at it. You see the size of this beast? I'm going to flip it. You can see there's fat on the top. This is 5 pounds, like I said. It's starting to get a little tender. I'm not kidding you. Probably looking for another few hours, and we'll check it then. Because we want this to be pull apart, and it's getting close. I'll see you in a couple more. All right, how we doing? Let's take this guy off. Oh, we're starting to be pull apart. Oh, look at that. Look at it. Now I'm going to pull this baby apart. Oh, there it is. And I'm going to drain all this liquid out, and we're going to have to pull apart pork. All right, I'll see you when this is all pulled apart. That's the last of the liquid, and look at it. Came out of this. That's gorgeous. Look at that. That's the slow cook pickleback pork, shredded. Time for a bite. There it is. I mean, it's 5 pounds of pork. I can't hold it up, but here it is. It's perfect. It's killer diller. It's delicious. There it is. It's a big pile of pork. For more videos like this, check out Live Life 365. Subscribe to my YouTube channel by the same name. Until next time, pork. Peace.
Live life 365.
Sweet Babu. Where's the Babu? Sweet Babu. Baba. 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 Sweet Babu.